The site on which Bunratty Castle stands was in origin a Viking trading camp in the year 970. Robert de Muscegros, a Norman, built the first offensive fortress in 1250s. The powerful MacNamara family built the present structure, which is the last of 4 castles to be built on the site, around 1425. But by 1475, it had become the stronghold of the O'Briens, the largest clan in North Munster. Bunratty Castle and its lands were granted to various plantation families, the last of whom was the Studdart family. They left the castle in 1804, allowing it to fall into disrepair, to reside in the more comfortable and modern Bunratty House. Bunratty Castle and Folk Park is located in the idyllic village of Bunratty, County Clare. Located 15 minutes from Shannon International Airport, 20 minutes from Limerick City. And the market town of Ennis and 1 hour from Galway City is the ideal base when taking a short break or vacation along Ireland's stunning Wild Atlantic Way. Set on 26 acres of unspoilt Clare countryside, Bunratty Folk Park features over 30 buildings in a living village and rural setting. Rural farmhouses, village shops, and streets are recreated and furnished as they would have appeared at that time, according to their social standing.